Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will create some 3D objects based on what we learned in previous tutorial. If you have not viewed previous tutorial, please view it now and after that continue with this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will create this object and this object. So click on new, OK, then extruded boss base, select the plane. Now in this case we want to create these two circles at first, so therefore we will select horizontal plane. We want it to be horizontal, so we will select this top plane, then we will create two circles, then smart dimension, give the dimension to internal circle 32 and external is 56 and external is 56. Then click on this button, then give the height is 56, then OK, zoom fit. Next we want to create this cut of 6 width on this side, so click on extruded cut, select this plane, make it normal, click on normal, so it is upper here, then select the center rectangle. Now we want in center, so just drag this point, and or from here also you can make it bigger, then give the smart dimension, width is 6. Okay, then back, orbit it, zoom fit, and 56 is already there, done. Click outside. Then next will be this portion. Now I want this portion on the bottom face, so again click on extruded boss base, orbit it, select the bottom face, then make it normal, zoom fit, zoom minus. Now I want it on this side, so again take one rectangle command, 2-point rectangle, create one rectangle, then we want this rectangle to be symmetric around this axis, so we will create one axis, center line, we will create one center line, escape, then we will select this line, control this line and this axis, and we will make it symmetric. Click on this symmetry. Okay, then the dimension is 90 from the center axis, so click on smart dimension, and from this point this line length is 90. Press escape, then drag this line inside. The width, then give the width is 48, so smart dimension, select this line, give 48, escape, cancel the smart dimension, drag it inside. Then we want this arc here, to convert this circle into arc, click on this convert entities and select this circle. This has been selected, then click on OK. Then remove the unwanted object, trim it, click on trim entities and remove these objects. I don't want this curve. Okay, so this shape is ready, then click on OK, back, then orbit it. I want it in reverse direction, so click on this reverse direction, give the height is 24, give 24, enter. then done. Click on isometric view. Okay. Then next will be this cut of 32 diameter circle on this surface. Select extrude was, actually we want to cut it, so click on extrude cut, select this surface, then create the circle from the midpoint, place the line, then give the smart dimension, diameter is 32, give 32, then back, then depth of cut is 40, give the 40, enter, then OK, click outside, this part is ready. Then next part we want to create this one, click on new, OK. Again in this part, at first we will create this rectangle of 80 by 120. So click on extrude boss base, select this, we want it horizontal again, so click on this top plane, then create one rectangle from center rectangle, give the smart dimension 120 and this is 80, then OK, then give the thickness is 15, done. Then next will be this part, so we will create this circle of 80 diameter. So again extrude boss base, select this surface and create this circle from the center touching this or tangent to this surface, tangent to this line. So this is already of 80 or you can constrain it using smart dimension, so it is already there, done. Then OK, then give the height is 20, done. Then OK, then next will be this cut of 60 diameter circle to 15 depth. So click on extrude cut, select this surface, create one circle, then use smart dimension 60, done, and depth is 15, enter, OK. Then next one is this 30 diameter circle and through cut. Again extrude cut, select this surface, then make it normal, create one circle, smart dimension, diameter of 30. OK, then orbit it and I want it through, so click it through all. OK, so it is created. Then next will be this shape on this surface, so click on extrude boss base, select this surface, then create this shape, create one line or create one rectangle from this point, drag this point and click, give the smart dimension, I want it to be 50, so it is 50 here, then one circle, we'll just make it normal so it will be easy to work on. Normal, zoom fit, zoom, then create the circle from the center up to this point, then trim entities, remove the unwanted shapes, yes, Then smart dimension, give it 40 radius is there, done. Then one internal hole is there, so create one circle and give the diameter of 32. Smart dimension 32. Then okay, direction needs to be reverse, so reverse direction, give the depth of 20. Enter. Then okay. Then next will be same feature is on the opposite side, so select this feature, then click on mirror, and mirror face, click on this plus, so mirror face will be the this right plane, click on this right plane and click on OK. So in this way this part is ready. Both the parts are ready. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.